1969 Chevy Corvette, fully built. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. It's got a fully built 350 in it. There's the long tube headers right there, right there. Then he had this exhaust installed somewhere else with a Flowmaster X-Pipe right there. Then what we did is install two Borla Ataks on it instead of the Flowmaster 40s because they were too loud and drony for him. So he went with the Borla Atak right there and Borla Atak right there. Here's the part number on the Borlas, 400774. There'll be a link in the description and at exhaustaddicts.com. And then there's these tips. Just a classic Borla looking tip. I like it. It fits the classic look of this car, as you guys can see right there. So it came out really nice and clean. So we're going to let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you guys like, comment, hit that subscribe. There's the two Flowmasters that were on it that we cut off. There we go. Stay tuned, guys. How clean this thing is, guys. It's got 100,000 on the body, 8,000 miles on the motor. He said let it warm up a little bit because it's a brand new motor, okay? Oh, it sounds good. Is it high enough? That sounds really clean. It's cold start. Right at 84, 85. Is that the right sound you're looking for? Again? Here's sound decibels, go ahead. 103? That sounds clean. Go ahead and back it out. I used to have one of these, 74. Oh, they're fun cars, man, but they're just, yeah. They never, like, it's, for some reason, they never run right. Oh, I like the scoop up. Look at that. That's cool. Nice little addition. Really clean car. Rev it! You guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Perfect. Let you guys hear on the inside. All right, guys, here we go. 69 Vet. They used to have Flowmasters on it, and now has Borlas. The Flowmasters were a little bit too drony for him. So he went the Borla route with the Borla Atak. They're a lot smoother, less drone. They're known for less drone. You can hear them even on idle. It's not too loud. Got a clean tone to it, but not crazy loud. You hear it? This is after it warmed up. That's a nice sound. I like it. I've always been a fan of Borla. Have a great day, sir. I think he likes it. And it is stick shift too, guys.